Welcome to Invent Medical's crash course on the billing module. In this video, we'll walk through a general overview of the module, how to create and edit invoices, and more. Let's start with the Procedures tab. This is where every procedure sent to billing shows up. Time to put together a draft invoice. Start by selecting the procedures you want to bill. With those selected, create Draft Invoice from here. Let's pull up the invoice we just created, switch to the Invoices tab and open it, and there it is. All the invoice details. Need to make adjustments? Simply hit this icon to adjust the procedure details. For extra items, you can seamlessly expand the list with another procedure. Now we just need to confirm the invoice and we're all set. Time to record a payment. You can do so from right here. Once you confirm all payment details, the payment is officially registered. Want to see the payment details? Open the Payment tab and select a payment to see its full details. From here, you can easily check out the payment details or update them as needed. If you want to add a new payment, head right back to the Payment tab. From here, fill in the payment info, like the amount and date the payment was made. Once every field is filled in, go ahead and hit Save to lock it in. Payments registered. Now let's swing by the Invoice tab to allocate it. Inside the invoice details, you can see the Allocate button under the Unearned Balance section. Let's move on now to Packages. To add one for this patient, navigate to the Packages tab. Pick a package template from the pop-up or head to Configuration if you'd like to add more options. Once you've chosen a package, dive right in to review the details or get it activated. Review your package configuration right here. If everything looks good, you can activate it. Moving on from packages. What if your patient prefers paying over time? If a patient needs a flexible way to pay, head over to the Payment Plans tab to build a plan tailored to their needs. You can easily set up and create every detail of the payment plan right here. Looking to issue a credit note? Just head over to the original invoice first to get started. Choose the refund reason, then confirm to lock it in. Great! The credit note is created as a draft. Head over to the Credit Notes tab and simply access it to adjust your refund amount or get it activated. Up next, transfers. Making a quick transfer is fast and straightforward. Let's go ahead and create one. Simply choose the patient that will receive the transfer. Enter the amount, confirm it, and the transaction's complete. Finally, let's wrap up with financial tracking. The patient aging balance gives you an instant high-level check on patient finances. Or go to Account Moves to bring up every invoice, payment, and transaction recorded on the account. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out our documentation page or try the live demo on our website.